What's good, gang? I'm finna drop a little banger for y'all today, man. So, hey, this one right here, man, is gonna be a banger. So I'm gonna make this real quick. So basically, I asked my mom, can she come to the car wash with me? Not only I finna be washing my car, I'm finna wash her ass too, man. Just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Turn on y'all notification bell so y'all can get notified whenever I drop a banger. So we go ahead and jump right into this video, man. Let's go.
Oh, they do it like that?
Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah, neutral. Woo! What's mine? Oh yeah, this for my job.
So you started in time?
Yeah. They told me I was good. Oh! My bad. My bad.
You didn't do that shit. Huh? You didn't do that.
I didn't mean to do that.
What the hell you thinking about?
My head was to hit the thing while I was talking to you. But yeah, they tell me.
Oh, fucking Queen, stop that shit, man! God, stop! You doing that shit on purpose. Stop that now!
I didn't mean to do that.
Get your hand out there. Don't do that.
But yeah, they tell me, man, that just got me confused. They got me, they told me, I ain't gonna do that. They told me, I was good as long as I got, you know, the information and stuff to show them. They be hitting your mirrors sometimes.
Oh! Quit, stop now! God, I will fuck you up. Do that shit again now.
Oh, I did for real.
Man, playing now. Man, that shit like, yeah.
What it gonna do?
I don't know. Shit will fuck my skin up.
You might mess mine up?
I don't know, but stop that shit.
Watch my thing right here.
If your ass walking, you be doing that shit in the car, that crazy shit, that crazy stuff you doing.
What crazy stuff?
I don't know. Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, let me try it.